How to fix asymmetrical eyes. Having asymmetrical eyes can leave you feeling self-conscious or frustrated with your appearance. There are many factors, such as health conditions, genetics, or general aging, that can contribute to one of your eyes appearing smaller than the other. Sometimes it's medically necessary for your asymmetrical eyes to be fixed. If this is the case, look into surgical procedures to see which one is right for you. You can also have a surgical procedure done for purely cosmetic benefits. Additionally, you can help fix asymmetrical eyes by applying makeup strategically and using natural remedies. Method 1: Choosing a cosmetic procedure. 1. Wear a ptosis crutch to hold your eyelid in place. If you don't want to have any surgical procedures done, you can use a ptosis crutch. These are little attachments in your glasses that hold your eyelid up so that it's symmetrical with your other eye. If you already wear glasses, this could be a great option for you. Talk to your eye doctor about ptosis crutch options and whether they can be installed on your specific type of glasses. Wearing a ptosis crutch in your glasses is going to be slightly visible since it's a plastic or metal bar holding up your eyelid, but it's discreetly connected to your glasses. 2. Get a Botox injection to tighten the muscles around your eyebrow. For a less invasive fix to your asymmetrical eyes, opt for a small Botox injection. The injection will help to tighten the skin around your eye, lifting up your eyelid and getting rid of the droopiness. Botox injections cause slight discomfort when they're injected, but this goes away relatively quickly. Botox injections typically cost between $350 and $500 for each area that is injected. 3. Consider getting blepharoplasty to remove excess skin from your eyelid. Since this is a cosmetic surgery, you should only consider it if you are really bothered by your asymmetrical eyes or it's medically necessary. Blepharoplasty is when a surgeon removes extra skin, muscle, or fat from your eyelid. It tightens your eyelid, making your eye appear larger and more symmetrical. Talk to an ophthalmologist, oculoplastic surgeon, or your general eye doctor for more information about blepharoplasty and whether it's right for you, as well as any risks involved. This surgery usually costs between $2,000 and $5,000. Some of the risks involved in blepharoplasty are infection and bleeding, skin discoloration, difficulty opening your eyes, or noticeable scarring, among others. 4. Choose ptosis surgery to fix a stretched-out eyelid. Ptosis surgery is when the muscle and tendon in your eyelid is tightened so that it holds up your eyelid more efficiently. This procedure will make your eyes look symmetrical, but as with any surgery, there are risks involved. Talk to your doctor to see if this surgery is an option for you. You wouldn't feel much pain during surgery, but your eyelids may feel sore afterwards. Ptosis surgery ranges in price from $2,000 to $2,500. Risks of a ptosis surgery include scarring, infection, bleeding, or dry eyes, among others. Method 2: Using beauty products. 1. Apply eyeshadow to make your eyes appear more symmetrical. Use eyeshadows light in color, such as champagne golds or pinks, to make your eyes look brighter and more full. For the eye that appears smaller, apply powder eyeshadow a little bit higher up on your eyelid so that your eyes appear more symmetrical. You can also apply little dabs of light-colored eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes to make them look bigger. 2. Line your eyelids strategically with eyeliner. If your eyes aren't symmetrical, you don't have to apply your eyeliner exactly the same on each eyelid. Try using a thicker line on the droopier eye, and a thinner line on the opposite eye. This line should be further down, filling in the gaps where your eyelashes are. 3. Use lengthening mascara on the lashes of your smaller eye. To make your eyelid look higher up, apply lengthening mascara to your top lashes. You only need to apply it to the eye that droops more. To make your eyelashes curl up, use a heated mascara wand or simply heat up your mascara using a hairdryer before applying it. Lengthening mascara can be found at most drugstores or big box stores, and costs $5 to $20. A heated mascara wand ranges in price from $15 to $30, and can be found at beauty stores or online. 4. Put eyelid tape on your eyelids to lift the skin. Eyelid tape helps hold up your upper eyelids so that they don't sag. These thin adhesive strips are usually clear and small enough that they aren't super visible or uncomfortable. Eyelid tape comes in many different brands and can be found at most beauty stores or big box stores, as well as online. Eyelid tape typically costs $5.25. Method 3: Trying natural remedies. 1. Cut up slices of cucumber and place them on your eyelids for a soothing remedy. Cucumbers have lots of nutrients in them that can help soothe and tighten your eyelids. Cut a cold cucumber into slices, and then place a slice on each of your closed eyelids. Leave them there for 15 to 20 minutes before removing the cucumber slices. Rinse your eyelids off afterwards. 2. Place chilled chamomile tea bags on your eyelids for their antioxidants. Put the tea bags in the refrigerator to get them cold, and then place one on each closed eyelid. Take the chamomile tea bags off after 20 to 25 minutes. The tea bags will tighten up your eyelids, making your eyes look fresh and bright. 3. Tighten saggy eyelids using an aloe vera mask. For this mask, you'll need 4 teaspoons, 20 milliliters, of aloe vera gel, 2 teaspoons, 9.9 milliliters, of oatmeal, 4 teaspoons, 20 milliliters, of yogurt and 2 to 4 slices of cucumber. Blend the ingredients together to create a paste, and then leave the mask on your closed eyelids for 10 to 20 minutes. Rinse the mask off afterwards. You can also split off a piece of an aloe leaf and apply the gel directly to your eyelids. Wait for it to dry for roughly 20 minutes before washing it off. 4. Apply cold water or ice to your eyelids to reduce inflammation. Cold water is great for tightening your skin. Try to rinse your face, especially around your eyes, with cold water frequently. You can use ice cubes to gently rub your eyelids as well. 5. Reduce sagging by applying an egg white mask. Egg whites are known for improving skin elasticity. Using only the egg whites and not the yolks, dip a cotton ball or Q-tip in the egg white. Once some of the egg white has been absorbed, apply it to your eyelids. Your eyes should stay closed the whole time until the egg white has dried and you can rinse it off. Remove any eye makeup beforehand so that this method will work better. If you get egg whites in your eye, rinse your eye out thoroughly with clean water. 6. Eat grapes to prevent eyelid droopiness. Because grapes have lots of polyphenols in them that help to reduce inflammation, eating them can help with your droopy eyelids. Eating lots of grapes isn't going to have a huge effect on your asymmetrical eyes, but it can only help. 7. Get plenty of sleep. You may have noticed that your eyes feel heavier when you're tired. Getting a good night's rest will improve your skin overall, and should help tighten up the skin around your eyes. A solid 8 hours of sleep each night is recommended.